If you've decided to close your TaskRabbit account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you navigate the account closure efficiently. Step 1. Login. Visit the TaskRabbit website or open the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings. This is usually found in the profile section, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find account closure option. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to account management or closure. This may be labeled as close account or deactivate account. Step 4. Follow closure instructions. Click on the account closure option and follow the prompts. You may be asked to provide a reason for closing your account and confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm closure. After completing the prompts, confirm your account closure. You should receive a notification or email confirming that your account has been successfully closed. Thank you for following this guide. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to TaskRabbit support.